Anyway na guys, nandito tayo sa sa newly open na Vietnamese restaurant. There's a plaza na nakakatuwa lahat ng food dito. And there's a Vietnamese store. Ayan. So, ate sa amin first time na itatry dito. Kasi kami ni Daddy na try na namin. Their name is, what's that? Their name?
Viet.
Ayan. Ang linis siya for first time. And kaya ko siya dinala dito kasi masarap. Ayan. So mamaya. So tatry na natin dito. Pero ako na-try ko na masarap talaga. Ang magasarap.
Try natin dito. Guys, apat niya na.
Uy, pangatlo lang. Tapos ang masarap dito yung meat nila. Fresh. Kaya yung pinaka-pork at saka chicken nila, it's not too much marinated na parang matagal na. Sobrang fresh talaga. Yun din yung sabi ng owner, kaya they're different from the other. So, try nyo dito sa Viet Cuisine dito sa plaza namin. Ang lapit lang dito talaga. Along the, lang siya, the highway ng 30 seconds yun, diba? Parang, Tapos, ang sarap din ng bubble tea nila, mga bee. Tapos ko yung kagigising. Guys, nag-therapy kami ngayon Alam niyo na, pag Monday, treatment day namin, massage, physio, wala palang massage na, physio tsaka Cairo. Kaya, groggy ako, guys. Ito yung pinaka-relaxing day ko. Every week, meron kami ganung session. Ayan, super no store. Tapos, ang daming parking. Dito sa back, tsaka sa front, ang daming parking. Ayan, hintayin natin yung in-order namin.
How are you? Me. Okay. Thank you.
I told her to try the pork. Yes, that's my chicken. Oh, wow, thank you. Yeah, so now Samantha has the pork.
This is shredded pork.
Yeah. Ang sarap. And this is my chicken, guys. This is so good. First time ko na-try kasi yung paano na-try ko. Si Daddy kasi mahilig Pero this one,
Mama, can I have your cucumbers?
yeah, sure. This is my chicken. And it's time. Ano, sarap pa yung pork. Yung spring roll. Sarap.
I love spring roll. Hold on.
Try the muna. Put it here.
Dami.
Give me some,
Lamig yan, I don't think you've ever tried.
What is that? The pork skin?
Yeah, that's pork skin. Like shredded pork skin.
Wow. Sige, try it na. First bite, let's see. Ano gusto ni ate?
First bite. First bite, thank you.
First bite.
Okay, so you gotta get all of it.
Ganda naman ng baby ko.
And then, a little bit of
Put a little bit of cucumber and put a little bit of tomato. And your egg.
This is the
Let's see.
Wait.
Ayan. Ano ba yun? Their pork is fresh, diba? Juicy.
This is really good.
I told you. Their meats are, always new every day. They don't cook like yung marinations ng madami. Very, So this is naman my chicken. Let's see. Can I try this? Ito raw is the pork shredded skin. So it means this is the balat. Nak.
It's malamig.
What? Yeah. It looks really good. Then put up a little bit of
It has lemongrass. So it probably tastes like inasal.
I know. They actually do it like it's Asian food. Huh? Hindi na nakapagsalita. Hindi na ako nakapagsalita. Oh my God. Try it. Ang crispy nung skin. It tastes like inasal marination or ano. Ang sarap.
I'm sorry.
Oh my. Careful. Masarap. I don't know kung anong lasa, basta masarap.
That's good.
Diba? Masarap yung sauce ng barbecue, parang gano'n. I don't know, basta masarap, guys. Try nyo dito. You like it? Simot sarap mga B. Sarap nak.
Yeah.
Sogbu. Sob na sob guys. So, parang mac. Ang tawag doon nak? Simot sarap. Anong tawag doon sa buto? What they call it? Sagad sa buto?
Sagad hanggang buto.
No, it's not. That's not the ano.
What is that? Sagad sa
Feeling
buto?
licking good. Hindi ko na Fernando po.
Finger licking good.
Simot to the bone. Ano nga, isipin mo nga yun.
Simot to the bone.
Namumula ako. Simot to the bone. Guys, ito pa isang masarap sa kanila. The mango bubble
Hurry up, I wanna try it.
Yeah, look at this. There's a mango syrup. Ay, ang sarap. Promise. Tinatagalan ko talaga kasi hihigupin na niya. Yan. Magpili tayo. Uy, huwag mong ubusin yung ano. Parang ikaw dati. Oh, tama na. Pipigilin yung dati. Soft drinks.
If you
Mami, tama na.
they only know. Really, ka biligo waiver ka bigla niya ako ng baby sinasabi. Tapos ganito ako. I'm afraid.
No, I'm talking about the drink. You're controlling the straw.
Yeah, kasi malakas ka ako yun.
Wow, makaway. Oh, tama na. Ay, siya mga po, anak. Turag mo. Uy, wala na. Konti na lang yung black. Natawa ako sa way. Ba't ako bad girl? Ay, ako. Ano man? Harap, no? Bayad din. Everything is good. So just say hi. Visit their store here, okay, guys? This is the store, and the food is so good. This is the pretty so kind owner. What's your name again?
Tea.
Yeah,
Tea.
just yeah. So you guys, they're open until 9 p.m. every day, right?
Every day.
7 days a week.
Yes.
Okay.
No
Bye.
problem.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yes. So guys, this one their store. Yan, super newly open lang sila. And I told you guys, pangatlo ko na to. Ayan. Their store is a Viet Cuisine. They're just new. Number 100, no? Yan, number 100. And then, marami pa dito. Sandali. Ayan. And the plaza was named Randall Horn Center. Ayan. Randall Horn Center. Tapos, ito yung, ano yung mga to? Bongo? Ano ba to? Bingo or what? Anong meron dyan sa loob niya?
No idea.
Ayan. Oh, they have kids daycare going to open soon, huh? There's a Canadian pizza. Meron pa dun mga barbershop. Yan. And the name is Randall Horn Center. Yan yung mismong plaza namin na open, newly open. I'm so busog. Yan. Hominy na kami.
Hominy, parashe, parashe, parashe,
Oh
hominy,
my God.
hominy.
And the bill is $48 for the 5 meals or 5 food. 2 meals, 1 spring roll, then the bubble tea. $48. Not bad. Sarap. Busog na kami. Yan. Uwian na guys. Thank you for watching guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, sa inyo mga hindi pa follow sa page, please follow our page. Huy! So ngayon naman guys, dadayuhin naman natin yung bagong bukas na Shoppers kasi last night dumaan kami dito nung umano kami, tawag dito na nung nag-crave kami ng McFlurry. Dito ka na. Nakita namin yung Shoppers na inaabangan namin na mag-open. Yung dati nasa vlog namin na nag-open din yung Dollarama beside that store.
Parang na-miss namin yung mga points sa
And this plaza has a lot of new stores opening. So the last time na nag-visit kami is the Dollarama. Right now, Shoppers naman kasi nag-open na pala. So yan ang plano namin kagabi. Puntahan na natin to, sabi ni Sam, right now. Since today, every Monday is our Monday gala. Because that's our both day off namin ni Sam. For the treatment, naka-schedule talaga yan. Sa mga magtatanong at sa mga hindi naman nagtatanong, the reason why lagi kami doon kasi second knock. Sign muna ha, bago siya muna. Tama na. Kaya kami every Monday, kasi yung sa namin to, car accident namin mga B. Yeah, we had the car accident last year, January. Then we have to do the treatment kasi I'm scared dahil that's my second hit na. Dahil the first hit ko naman is yung way back 2014. The second ka. Use your camera. Yeah, so hindi ako nagpa-treatment noon and then I feel bad kasi yun nga marami na ako na feel na mga pain. So this my second time na na-hit kami. It always happen naman na nahi-hit kami, hindi ako yung may kasalanan. So this time sabi ko nga we have to use our treatment. We have to do the treatments, everything. Physio,
Oh, I'm so excited! Show that!
So this one guys, yung aming super near, super close na Shoppers. So bago. So this is our first try. Gastos na naman! Imbitahin mo sila. Let's go!
Let's go!
Mag-iwan ng bakas, Eme.
Iwan ng bakas.
Ano tawag si Little dyan?
Ano yun?
Guys, iwan nyo yung bakas nyo dyan. Then, i-emerald namin yun. Come on, let's go! Kung kala mo naman, first ever Shoppers. Now open. Kailan sila kaya nagbubukas? Yan o, super bago. Wow, ang daming bonuses guys. This is what we miss. Ay, nak, nung May 9. Nung May 9. Up to May 14. Yes! Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at their so good. Shut up, you look great. Yeah, so there's a bonus mga points. Sam, this is what Daddy wants to get, di ba? Oh,
Usually guys, yung mga Shoppers dito, run through na, like, ang dami lang.
Samo? Is that magnet? No. I want to see my favorite. Nak, my favorite oh. There, mga vitamin nutritions. Oh my God, it's all new.
Ay, shampoo, mambili mo pala ako.
Ay, ano ka ba? Saan tayo bumili? Head to toe. Sam, look at this. Wow. Face and body lotion. I remember this. This is her favorite. Or the Monday, oh, naka-sale. Guys, pag gumagamit ako ng mga ganito, talagang nagkaka-dandruff ako. Talagang ano lang talaga ako. Nahiyang na ako sa Groniella natin, you know? Ang tagal ko nang ginagamit ng Groniella, grabe.
Dapat yun may try mo.
Ayoko dyan. Natry ko na yan.
No, imposible pang may muta ka, ma.
Kasi luha ako ng luha.
Alala, kasi lang doon sa fish show.
Luha ako ng luha kasi
Ma'am,
na yung mata ko
pag
nag-irritate.
ikaw inano pa dyan,
Remember, I used that.
That was a long time
So,
ago.
415. Naku, kaya nga, i-stop ko.
Hindi, organic.
Lahat yan na-try ko na nakalos.
Or about
Even your Monday, I tried
I don't
that.
think you've
I
tried
don't know. I know, ayoko naman, it's expensive. And I have the July Me. I gave you the July Me. Ganun pa rin as usual.
Hindi nakalaka.
Oh my God, may amor.
Yung katsarin mo.
That's the best one. Wait. Lahat nakasil and their points. Ang lalaki ng points. Everything on sale. Like even the tampons from 16, it's 12. Everything. Yeah, look. Diba, wala pa masyadong
Ang saya.
tao kasi wala pa masyadong nakakaalam.
Promise, ang bango.
Ang bango. Sana ganito lagi. Ayan. Sa grocery tayo. Dapat
Maraming
tayo
sage.
bumili ng snacks. Para yung points. Even Walmart na kasi kami. Look at the
Shiny,
cart.
shimmering.
Oh my God. Yeah. That's good. Oh, ice cream.
I know.
I hope they have the...
Obviously, they're not gonna have queso.
This one. They have queso. Because Daddy wants queso. Yeah, that yellow. I thought it's queso. Do you know, guys? Ito yung mga amats kong area. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam.
Dark chocolate na lang.
Ayoko niyan.
Ayun, okay, this.
Gusto ko nga mga almond, ay ano eh.
I will do it.
I mean, I want mga marble.
Ayan, marble yung loob.
Ito naman, eh, inaano na naman ako eh. Kinacharot eh. Check my juice if it's...
Marble. Right there, yung gusto mo. President's Choice.
Really?
Ayun na. President's Choice yun eh.
Yeah. Oh my God. But hindi on sale. Ano ba yan?
Ay, ayun na lang.
No,
Sunripe
I don't like
pineapple.
that. I don't like that.
Are you
I
sure?
tried that
Tingnan
already.
yung presyo.
Ayoko
na.
eh. O sige,
Okay
sayang.
naman na yan. Kaya naman. Mura eh. Ang lakas mo kaya sa... Ay, ito!
Ayoko niyan eh.
Del Monte?
Ayoko niyan. Yung dating pinatry niyo sa akin. Ha?
Picky mo naman. Anong di mo pa natatry yan? Try mo lang isa. Del Monte.
Oh, pero yun na isa. Sunripe na lang yung isa ko.
Guys, alam niyo ba, yan ang pinaka... Ba't parang hagad ako?
Di ba?
Yan ang pinaka mabilis sa bahay namin. Pineapple juice.
Siyempre.
Laging wala. Grabe.
Because Daddy wants me to drink only pineapple.
Because lagi kang high blood.
Because I'm a high blood person. I mean, I have maintenance.
Bakit ang mura?
That's enough. Just two. I don't like that. I don't like that. I told you. I just need it kasi wala na nga.
O, bili ka na rin yan.
Tama na. Tag-isa lang, anak. Kasi I like the one.
Ang mahal.
Ayun talaga yung gusto ko eh.
O, bili mo na isa. Halu-haluin mo na lang.
Alisin mo yung isa nga, anak. And then
Ma'am,
this
baka
one.
magustuhan nga ni Papa.
Ayo. Natry na namin yan. Ang kulit mo.
Nectar? Ayaw mo na
Ayaw.
pineapple Del Monte.
Alisin mo na yung isang sunlight. Sumunod ka sa akin. Ako ang umiinom, hindi ikaw.
Ako yung binili ko lahat sa'yo yan.
Enough na. Isa lang. Ang
Dali.
kulit.
Nakayupi. Ang kulit.
As long as hindi open, you don't need it.
Yeah, right.
Napaka-arte rin. Kala mo na parigalo eh.
Yeah.
Save 450. Tama na, Sam. Diyos ko, kakain na lang. Kagagastos lang natin sa Walmart. $100. Ito na naman. Sam, dapat dito ka bumili. May points, oh.
Alam niyo guys, may hinahanap ako.
Ano, baka patulungan nila tayo.
Yung Lind na ano,
Like
may
this?
Dubai chocolate, yung may kanafe.
Ah, yung green.
Yeah.
I don't think so. Hey, Sam, they have this na.
I know, I saw. They do.
Ah.
From the States.
This is what we get from ano guys. We're getting this all the time pag nag-States kami. Yan, this one. Now, it's now available here in Canada. Wala na. Oops, anong bago? Kaya nga, ba't walang may Dubai chocolate dito? No.
Pag-visit ko sila.
Yung Dubai na yun, nagigigil din ako dyan ha.
Really.
Bakit hindi nyo dalhin dito sa Canada? Yung mga the best.
What's the thing about?
Except Japan, okay? Because I'm selling Japan. Kompleto talaga, girl.
Uy, mga ganyan. Pili ko mauubos mo yung sale nila. May si mami sa ganyan, guys.
Yeah, gusto ko yung mga pang patio-patio. Ay, I need to control myself lang. Oh, they have the small market here. Oh my God. So at least talagang we don't need to go far na.
And then if you need pasta, they have it.
Oh, it's all 50%. Oh my God.
Oh, it is.
Like 16 from
Wow.
$8.99.
Oh, it is.
Some, their chicken. Their pizza. Oh, do you have a small pizza now?
The pizza box.
Even the drinks.
Of course, hindi nila sinil yung paborito ko.
Guys, baka may green grapes.
Guys, if you know me, this is my favorite drink of all time.
Ay nako, I'll actually stopping her to buy that. Energy drink, it's bad. Yeah, kabibili lang namin ng ganito kanina. Tat pala dito tayo bumili. Girl, alika na. Guys. Yan, this one guys, nakita ko to sa isang vlogger. And she tried this. It's a moisturizing dry oil. So it could be for face and body. And it's so good and it smells so good. So it's save $4, so I'll try it. I'm going to try this. What is that?
Did you get the oil?
I got the oil. So, ayun na nga, mga business ko po. Sabi ko na nga ba pag chinek. Nag-check pa eh. Magkano na naman bill ko? $69.34. Sabi ko, tingin lang tayo eh. Pero madami-dami din nabili. So, ayun lang guys. Pumunta kayo dito, ang daming points, ang daming mga sale. Marami silang discounted price and big points sa mga gumagamit ng Optimum card. So that's all for today guys. See you again on our next video. Don't forget to follow our page. Have a good day everyone.